everyone, and welcome back to Power of SEO. Today, we have an exciting episode for all the website owners and digital marketers out there. In this complete SEO tutorial, we'll delve into off-page SEO and uncover the secrets to boost your website's rankings. Segment 1. Understanding off-page SEO. Host. Off-page SEO enhances your website's reputation, authority, and visibility beyond its boundaries. Let's grasp the fundamentals before diving into techniques. Discuss the importance of off-page SEO, its impact on rankings, and how search engines view external signals. Segment 2. Building high-quality backlinks. Host. High-quality backlinks are crucial. Let's explore techniques to acquire the right ones and supercharge your website's rankings. Explain the concept of backlinks, the difference between good and bad backlinks, and share effective techniques like guest posting and outreach strategies. Segment 3. Leveraging social media. Host. Social media is a powerful off-page SEO tool. Learn to increase your website's reach and drive organic traffic. Discuss the impact of social media on SEO, tips for optimizing profiles, encouraging social sharing, and audience engagement. Segment 4. Harnessing the power of content marketing. Host. Content is king, even in off-page SEO. Create engaging content to attract backlinks and retain your audience. Discuss the significance of content marketing in off-page SEO, link building content types, and tips for creating shareable content. Segment 5. Influencer marketing and brand mentions. Host. Influencer marketing and brand mentions matter. Partner with influencers and gain visibility from reputable sources. Explain the benefits of brand mentions and how to approach influencers for collaborations. Segment 6. Monitoring and measuring off-page SEO success. Host. Track your efforts for success. Let's discuss tools and metrics to monitor off-page SEO. Share various tools for tracking backlinks, social media metrics, and overall off-page SEO performance. Conclusion. Host. There you have it, our complete tutorial on mastering off-page SEO. Implement these strategies and watch your website's rankings soar. Viewers, please do like, share, subscribe, and leave comments. Host. Mastering off-page SEO takes time, but it's worth it. Stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead in the SEO game. Goodbye.
Live my life as a thug, man, just until it